Welcome back to another video in the cloud series. Today I'm going to be going over cloud migration techniques, examining and performing them as well. Now, as more organizations are realizing, right, the benefits of running their operations in the cloud compared to on premises, sometimes you can find yourself tasked with like migrating a physical environment to a cloud provider or something of that sort. Now, just as organizational decisions can influence the need to migrate from physical to virtual environments, the same can be said for the need to migrate from one cloud provider to another, right? Physical to virtual migration, virtual to virtual storage migrations, database migrations, things of that nature. So what I'm going to do now is just examine different cloud migration techniques, and then I'm also going to create a VHD file for one of our servers here for that system that I'm using. All right, so let's actually swivel over. I just want to make sure everything was working properly. So let's swivel on over here. Let's actually use, actually minimize this. Edge here, right? Then I'm going to tell it, go. Okay, this should be it here. Okay. Got it up and running, so let's go ahead and download the disk too. Here, shouldn't take long at all. So now we have it downloaded, so I'm just going to open it up here. And it's going to, actually looks like it already was extracted. Extract. There we go. Okay. Copy the value. Now, hopefully the C drive has enough space, but now we're just taking a look at the VHD creation process beginning. Now, once it's completed, it should give us some sort of successfully completed message of some sort. VHD creation has officially completed, so we can close this here. And I can see now, I can verify that it's completed. Now we can see the PLAB DMO1 disk image file in this disk2 VHD folder. So I've successfully created a VHD image from this machine that can be used as a virtual machine as well. And this also brings us to the end of the video, unfortunately, for cloud migration techniques. Just for a brief recap, we examined and performed some cloud migration techniques, going over physical storage and database migrations, as well as creating a VHD file from a working computer as well. Again, this is fun. Can't wait to get to the next one where we go over configuring logging for cloud resources there. In the meantime, till then, stay curious, stay secure.